I'm glad someone's come along to feed the birds. I forgot to bring you some bread. I threw some orange peel down there, but not the same, is it? He likes the pigeons, doesn't he? Last year there was a copper roof and someone nicked it for all the scrap.
What?
Yeah, copper sheeting. It's valuable metal.
Expensive.
Yeah, expensive, yeah. Yeah, during the night it happened. And I think the one up there got done as well, because it's just quiet, isn't it? And bit of beer money for someone. But they fixed the roof now.
It's good for your children.
Yeah.
It's good for your children. For some people, it's good for their children.
No, it looked nice though, having a copper roof. It was like a church, you know, with this, and it was all green, you know, where it'd been there a couple of years.
It's expensive.
But it's London, isn't it? It's London. So sometimes you find little shotgun cartridges and people come round poaching.
They do that.
For the ducks, yeah, because the restaurants give good money.
They do that.
Yeah, do. And there was 4 Eastern Europeans in Hyde Park. The police caught them because someone reported seeing a fire, and they was all drunk and they was barbecuing a swan.
Ducks.
No, a swan.
Swan.
Yeah, yeah.
The crisis, the world is really going.
I think they got in trouble with the RSPCA and the park police for having a fire in the, because it got signs up, no barbecues.
Fire.
Yeah, no barbecues. They had a fire and they was roasting a swan. They was really drunk. Yeah, drunk and disorderly. Having a barbecue, and the RSPCA told them off. Yeah, that was about 5 years ago. Yeah, well, they was hungry. Where they been drinking, they was hungry. Wait.